Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about Facebook ads and specifically 5 tips to get you more opt-ins, sales, and conversions. Before we dive in, please be sure to subscribe to our channel, which helps us create more content. Now let's get going.
1. Mine Audience Insights. Facebook's Audience Insights is one of the best tools you have at your disposal. It essentially allows you to learn about specific audiences before risking your budget or targeting them. It works by mining available Facebook data and showing you exactly who your target market is, based on people who already like your page. Instead of taking a shot in the dark, you now know exactly which users are likely to follow through with your ad's call to action. It saves a lot of time and money, allowing you to focus on the quality of the ad and avoid wasting time on targeting. 2. Create unique ad sets for each audience. One of the neatest features of Facebook's advertising platform is that you can create separate ad sets for unique audiences. In other words, you can create 2 different ads and deliver them to 2 completely unique audiences. Or you can create the same exact ad and send it to 2 different audiences. Ultimately, the result is better targeting. For example, let's say you're a retailer that sells kitchen supplies. Maybe you have a really awesome new stainless steel mixing bowl that you're trying to market to 2 different groups. Instead of delivering the same ad to everyone, you can create 2 unique ads and deliver them to 2 distinct target markets. The first ad could be targeted towards professional chefs, whereas the second one may be focused on stay-at-home moms who like quality chef-grade kitchen supplies. The 2 ads will be completely different, despite the fact that the same item is being pushed. 3. Accompany ads with landing pages. Very rarely should you connect an ad to your website or product page without first pushing visitors through a landing page. Landing pages allow you to maximize your Facebook advertising efforts by educating users before asking them to buy. Landing pages make sense because Facebook advertising isn't cheap. You're going to spend money on your clicks and you want each one to count. Simply sending them to a basic website or product page without any clear direction of what they need to do is a waste of money. 4. Use striking imagery. You'll hear people teach entire courses on how to write Facebook ad copy, but for some reason, the same amount of attention isn't given to the images used in these ads. This is unfortunate, since visual content is far more influential than textual content. You don't have to use a shot of your business, product or service, says Nicholas Gremian of FreeEbooks.net. Rather use a relevant, if possible, image that will catch people's eyes and have them read your ad. Facebook tells you that you can't use images that contain more than 20% words. So it's clear that images are designed to grab attention, not display a message. Take advantage of this valuable real estate within your ad. 5. Establish a bid strategy and budget. Finally, it's critically important that you set a bid strategy and budget. Otherwise you'll end up spending way more than you intended. Thankfully, Facebook makes this easy by allowing you to use what's known as optimized CPM. With this tool, you're essentially giving Facebook the permission to bid for ad space based on the constraints and goals you provide. This generally allows you to maximize your budget and avoid overspending. Until you get an idea of how much ad space costs and how to allocate your budget, it's best to let Facebook take care of this aspect of your campaign. Using these tips, you should be able to get started and experience some initial success. As always, remember that Facebook is constantly changing its advertising platform, so stay on top of any new developments and apply them accordingly.
Have you tried any of the tips we have talked about here? Which of these are you going to try? Let us know about your Facebook advertising experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay awesome, guys. Signing off till next time.